Even with the incredible quality achievable from smartphone cameras, if you want to take your shooting a step further, then these could be exactly what you need. The Sandmarc Hybrid Filter Kit. Hybrid filters combine the depth of field and controlled shutter speeds of an ND filter with the vibrant colors and contrast of a polarizer filter. In essence, these provide landscape photography and outdoor filmmaking an even more cinematic look by protecting the camera from overexposure and improving the high dynamic range. Supplied in a handy protective carry case, alongside we receive the adapter that makes the system work. With a plastic construction, the adapter incorporates a very straightforward clip-type design, complete with rubberized and very grippy surfaces so as to not only protect the smartphone from scratches while in use, but also grip and stay firmly in place. Another positive with the simple clip system is the unit can be attached quickly and easily to a variety of handsets, even though it's geared towards the iPhone, and even with a case attached, as in this example here. Notice how the adapter is large enough to cater for both camera lenses together too, so it doesn't really take anything away from the functionality of the smartphone itself. At this stage, thanks to the incorporated thread within the inner lip of the adapter, we simply screw the required filter into place. And talking of filters, we have 3 included in the package, not just any filters though, hybrid filters. In essence, this means we do not need to decide between ND or polarizer filters, or even stack filters one on top of the other. Each of these filters mixes both ND and polarized glass together, with polarized ND16 for cloudy conditions, ND32 for mildly cloudy conditions, and ND64 for sunny conditions, all being included in the neat carry case. Simply screw the desired filter into place, set the polarity as need be, and off you go, with a secure and robust system that incorporates multi-coated glass. And with an aluminum frame, it's light too, at only 18 grams. Using the correct filter for your lighting conditions, you are easily able to adjust polarity and capture some really impressive shots, whether it's still images or video. And thanks to the hybrid nature, you won't need to carry around a camera bag with a stack of filters, just your smartphone and a small filter pouch, both of which can be carried in your pocket but still allow you the ability to capture shots good enough to create some really impressive projects. Compatible with most iPhones, although I can't see why any other smartphone can't be used just as well thanks to that universal clip design, the hybrid filters incorporate a high quality fit and finish that help produce impressive cinema type shots from your smartphone. If you're serious about shooting video or capturing images with your smartphone, then the Sandmarc Hybrid Filter Kit should certainly be on your wish list.